To use the interpreter during calls, what you can do is you can open settings, and over here we're gonna scroll down until you find additional settings. Then we're gonna go ahead and choose floating windows, and you want to go to the side toolbox. You want to make sure that call toolbox is enabled. Once it is on, we can go on a call. So we need to have a call, of course. Then we're gonna open the toolbox, and you should be able to find the interpret option. So we're gonna tap over here. We need to tap on agree, and of course grant all the necessary permissions. And now we have the translation going on. You can also tap on the setting icon in the upper left corner of this window in order to choose your language and the language of the other person. We can actually move it down a little bit, and let's actually try to find English. There we go. And of course we can choose the language for the other person. So let's say we're gonna choose French, and now it should be switched immediately after that. And there we go. We can also use the full screen, I believe, by tapping on these arrows. So you can manage these languages in here as well. You can also see that whatever I say out loud, it is actually being translated pretty much straight away. And they can hear whatever the translation says. Not what you are saying, but the translation actually. All right. So that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.